Achievers IELTS Sample Speaking Test 8 Plus Band. Do watch it till end. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. My name is Vaishnavi Srivastava. May I know your name, please?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Neetu.
Okay, Neetu, where do you live?
I live in Ambala city, near to Chandigarh.
Okay, would you like to describe your hometown?
Definitely, ma'am. It's my pleasure to describe my hometown. Although my hometown is a one-horse town, but fully loaded with amenities such as well-developed infrastructure and advanced medical and educational facilities.
Okay. Is there anything that you don't like about your hometown?
Frankly speaking, ma'am, I'm quite contented with my hometown. But one thing which is bothering me nowadays, due to civilization, the pollution is escalating at a rapid scale, for which I am quite worried.
Okay, let's talk about bicycle. Do you ride bicycle?
Yes, frankly speaking, ma'am, yes. I know how to ride it, but not much.
Okay. What do you think of it? I mean, what are its advantages or disadvantages?
Yes, ma'am. Riding a bicycle is quite advantageous, and I think that this is the best way to remain fit and healthy. Apart from it, it's an eco-friendly mode of transportation that doesn't require any fuel. So this is one of the advantages of it. Talking about the disadvantages, during bad weather condition, it becomes very tiresome job to paddle those bicycles. So I think it's a very tiresome job to ride a bicycle.
What other means of transport are popular in your hometown?
Okay, ma'am. Actually, my hometown is not a big town. It's a small town. So that is why I think that three-wheeler is quite popular among youngsters.
Okay, moving on to your hobbies. What are your hobbies?
Ma'am, I'm a hobbyist. I love to I love to dance and sing. Apart from it, sketching and painting is also one of my passion.
Okay. Now, give me your opinion here. Do you think hobby should always be educational?
Not at all, ma'am. It's not compulsory to be always educational because hobby should always be stress buster. It doesn't require any educational things always. So only a hobby should release your stress. Nothing else is required.
Okay. Now, what is the basic difference between indoor and outdoor games?
There's a major difference between indoor and outdoor games, ma'am. According to me, I think that those games which are played in an enclosed arena, they are known as indoor games such as Ludo and Carrom board, whereas those which are played outside of your house, they are known as outdoor games such as cricket and football.
Okay. Now, I'm going to give you a topic which will be your dream house. And here are your sub questions. Where would you like to make it? How it should be? And when you are going to accomplish it? I will be giving you 2 minutes to speak about it, and I am giving you 1 minute for preparation.
Okay.
Here is your pen and paper for anything for your assistance, and your time starts now.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Are
Can
you
I start?
ready?
Yes,
Shall we
ma'am.
begin?
Yes, ma'am.
Please start.
Home is one of the basic thing for everyone,
Yeah.
and according to me, there are lots of wishes of mine. But here I would like to talk about one thing, which is my dream house. Actually, presently I am living in a very spacious house, but there are many things which I would like to refurbish to make it my dream house. So first of all, I'd start with the location where I would like to build it. It should be in the heart of the city, which is Chandigarh. As I'm close to Chandigarh, I'm very near to Chandigarh, so that is why I would like to make it near to Chandigarh, so that I can avail the facilities over there. Moving ahead, I also want to look it very stupendous from outside so that everyone gets attracted towards it. Apart from it, it should not be so spacious because I only want 3 to 4 bedrooms. as I believe that maintaining a big house is also a hard nut to crack. So that is why I want a cozy and comfortable house where I can live happily with my family members. Um, Above all, as I'm a green panther, I would like to make a kitchen garden in the backyard of my house, where I can sit and enjoy the greenery, as this is also my long cherished wish to enjoy a cup of tea with my family members after coming back from my work. So that is why this is also one of the important thing in my dream house. Apart from it, besides, I would also like to say that modular kitchen, yes, modular kitchen, my mother wants it from long, so that is why I would also like to establish a very spacious modular kitchen for my mother. And one thing more that I would like to mention, that being a religious bent of mine, I think that I would like to make a prayer house also, where I can sit and I can meditate for 2 minutes. I think that meditation is one of the thing which should be done by everyone, because whenever I meditate, it fills me with lots of radiation and positivity of God. So I would like to make a prayer house also for myself, where we can do prayers for, and we can enjoy togetherness. And when I would like to make this dream come true, I think that very soon, ma'am, because very soon I'll be getting a handsome paid salary job, and I would achieve this Herculean task, and may this day come soon in my life.
Okay, now I would like to ask few more questions. Okay, first is, do you like apartments or traditional houses?
Okay. Ma'am, I think that I like the fusion of both apartments and traditional houses, as the both have their own advantages. Apartments, I think that they are quite safe, and due to scarcity of places, it accommodates lots of people, whereas traditional houses are quite spacious and well ventilated, quite airy. So I think that I actually like the fusion of both.
Okay, your next question is, what kind of houses are being made in your country?
If I talk about the whole country, I think that those which are metropolitan cities, they actually make lots of high-rises building, where they can accommodate more and more number of people. Due to, I already have told you that due to scarcity of land. Apart from it, if I talk about small town, they actually love to live um, in uh, in horizontal houses, because horizontal houses are quite in vogue in these small towns.
Okay. Now tell me, according to you, what should be given more preference, design or function while making any building?
Okay, ma'am, my view is quite clear in this question. I think that both should be given equal importance, because these both things are significant for a building. Because if it would not function properly, there is no point of making it. At the same time, designing is also very crucial, because it would attract more and more customers to more and more visitors towards it, and at the same time, it will make the city more beautiful.
Okay. What do you think is the basic difference between old and new buildings?
There's a very clear-cut difference. I think that old buildings are quite spacious, airy, well ventilated, whereas modern buildings, contemporary buildings, are fully loaded with lots of gadgets, and they are quite cozy, comfortable, and it accommodates lots of people.
Okay. Do you think government should pay for saving old buildings or not?
It depends upon the amount of money, actually. I think if hefty amount of money is required for its refurbishment, I think the government should not squander money. But if little amount of money is required, I think it's worth it. It's justified to make it okay for the people. So
Okay.
that's what I think, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Neetu. That's it for the test.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Do like, share, and subscribe this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.